evaluating a function. Okay? Ayan. So, lesson number 2 is all about evaluating a function. Wherein, evaluating a function, pakibasa naman those two definition ng evaluating a function, Mora, Alexa, Joanna. Wala?
It means finding the value of f(x) equals or y that corresponds to a given value of x. To do so, simply replace all the x variables with whatever or x has been assigned. The process is done by substituting the numeral value of x to the given function.
Ayan, thank you, Mara. Sabi, when it comes to evaluating a function, it means it is finding the value of f of x or y. Okay, that corresponds to a given value of x. To do this, you need to simply replace all the x variables with whatever x has been assigned. So it means to say, in every example, there is a designated value of x. Okay? Then, the process is done by substituting the numerical values of x to the given function. So it means to say, evaluating a function is all about substituting the value of the given x on the given function or an equation. Okay? Ayan. But before that, we need to remind this one, yung tinatawag nating BEDMAS at PEMDAS. Ito yung sequencing of operation on how to perform an indicated operation in an equation. Okay? Or always remember this, the PEMDAS and the BEDMAS. Okay, so kapag sinabi po nating BEDMAS, it is a brackets, exponents, division or multiplication, addition or subtraction. While sa PEMDAS naman, it is parenthesis, followed by exponent first, division or multiplication, and lastly, addition or subtraction. Okay? Again, itong BEDMAS and PEMDAS, this is the sequencing of operation in an equation. So we must need to follow those two para paras tayo ng sagot na kalalabasan in finding or in evaluating a certain function. Okay? Alright, pakibasa naman ng first example natin. Lagi daw, Lorraine.
Good morning po, ma'am. Example, given the f(x) equal 3x plus 6, find f(2).
Ayun. As you can see, we have the given example, f of x is equals to 3x plus 6. Find f of 2. So as you can see, meron na tayong value ng x dito, which is equals to what? Based sa given?
2 po.
2. Correct. So sabi kanina, first things first, all you need to do is to substitute the given value of x. Okay? So ano nga bang given value ng x dito, which is 2? So lahat ng may x dito sa ating equation, papalitan natin ng 2. So from x, magiging 2. Okay? So isa-substitute lang natin. So therefore, we have now the solution, first solution, f of 2 is equals to 3 times 2 plus 6. Okay? So, nireplace natin yung x dito kanina. X will becomes now 2. Okay? Since ito po yung value ng x natin sa given. What we must do first, multiplication or addition? Following the sequence.
Multiplication.
Okay, that's correct. Multiplication. So, first we need to perform the indicated operation and simplify 3 times 2. So, what is their product? Bakulanlan.
Ma'am,
Ano po yung product ng 3 and 2?
6 po.
Okay, that's correct. 6. Okay. So now we have the second solution that is equals to 6 plus 6. So therefore, our final answer now is equals to what?
12.
12. 12 po.
That's correct. So therefore, f of 2 is equals to 12. Okay, nakasunod po ba?
Opo.
Yes po. Next. How about this one? Pakibasa naman ang first, another example natin. Ayan, Christian de la Paz.
Fx equals 4x to third minus 2x to second, ay 2, minus times x plus 5. X is equals to negative 3.
Okay. Okay lang. Let's go ahead sa Jamboard natin. Okay, wait lang. Okay, so nakikita na ba yung whiteboard natin dito?
Yes po.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so ang first given example natin is we have f of x is equals to 4x cubed minus 2x squared minus quantity x plus 5, wherein our x value is equals to negative 3. Okay, ano una natin gagawin?
Papalitan po yung box.
Okay, una muna natin gagawin is kumalma at titigan muna yung given equation, okay? Para makapag-isip tayo since ang first subject nyo is math, tama? Okay. So again, first things first is to change all the x variable into negative 3 since ito yung value ng x natin, tama? So lahat ng x natin dito sa given equation, papalitan na natin ng negative 3. Okay? Yun yung una natin gagawin. So we have now 4 quantity negative 3. Ayan. Raised to 3 minus 2 quantity negative 3. Oh, sorry. 5. Okay, so as you can see, lahat ng value ng x natin, pinalitan na natin ng negative 3. By the way, naalala nyo pa ba in how to add and subtract an integer? Anyone? Alam pa ba?
Opo.
Okay. So we have here an example of, first, bago natin isolve to, adding an integer. For example, we have negative 5 plus 2. So what is their sum?
Permission to speak.
Okay, go ahead.
Negative 3 po.
Okay, negative 3. Bakit siya naging negative 3? Ang rules when it comes sa addition and difference sign, bakit difference sign negative? We have negative 5 plus positive 2. Kapag difference sign, what we're going to do is subtract them. Okay? So first is subtract natin si 2 kay 5. So 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. Okay, bakit naging negative? Look for the sign of the larger number, and that is 5. Ang sign ng larger number natin is negative. So therefore, ang magiging sagot natin is negative. Okay, how about this one? We have negative 5 plus negative 2. What is the sum?
7.
7 ba?
Negative 7.
Negative 7, that's correct. Okay? Kapag same sign siya, it's either parehas negative, kukunin mo yung sign ng dalawang yon. Halimbawa, we have negative 5 plus negative 2. So, copy the sign, negative, then add them. So, we have 5 plus 2, that is 7. Negative 7 rather. Kapag parehas naman positive, so pag-add lang natin 5 plus 2, positive 7. Okay? Again, same sign subtract, different sign subtract, same sign add. Okay, how about sa subtraction? So we have here 2 minus 8. What is the difference? Anyone?
Permission to speak po.
Permission to speak po.
Sino yung naunang boy?
Kaya ko po. Negative 6 po.
Okay, negative 6. Tama. That is negative 6. Okay? So, kapag ganito, ang una natin gagawin is to change the sign of the subtrahend. Diba, positive 8 yan? So, from positive 8, that will becomes negative. Tapos, after natin ma-change yung sign ng subtrahend, papalitan na natin yung operation. So, from subtraction, magiging addition. Okay? Then, after na natin mapalitan yung subtrahend and yung operation, you may now perform the indicated operation. Then, follow the rules in adding integers. Okay? So, we have 2 plus negative 8. So, different sign, subtract natin, 8 minus 2, 6. Then, ano yung sign ng larger number natin? Negative. So, therefore, ang magiging sign din ng sagot is also negative. Okay, how about this one? Negative 2 plus negative 8. Paano sagot?
Permission to speak.
Permission to speak po.
Benosa,
Negative 10.
negative 10 ba?
Permission to speak po, ma'am.
Permission to
Ay,
speak.
subtraction nga pala to. Wait.
Opo, kaya ano po.
Oh, sorry. Add pala kasi ginawa ko. Ulit. So, this is negative 2 minus negative 8 pala. Okay. Ano na tong difference
Ano
ng
po?
Benosa?
Positive 6 po.
Okay, that's correct. Positive 6 na siya. Bakit? Again, first is to change the sign of the subtrahend. Tama yun din nasa So, from negative, magiging positive. Then after nun, palitan na natin yung operation. So from subtraction, magiging addition. So we have now negative 2 plus 8, positive 8. Okay, different sign, pagsa-subtract natin, tama? So 8 minus 2, 6. And look for the sign of the larger number, positive 8. So therefore, ang sagot din natin is positive. Okay, nakakasunod? And syempre, madali lang naman yung dividing and multiplying integers, tama? Kasi kapag same sign, positive yung sagot, different sign, negative yung sagot. Okay, parehas lang yun ng rules ng division and multiplication. Sa ano lang nagkakatalo talaga? Medyo nakaka-confuse yung adding and subtracting integers, tama ba? Ayun. So, I hope lahat nag-take down notes, ha? You will be having your long quiz, by the way, next week. And activity for tomorrow. Ayun. Okay. So, let's go back now dito sa example number 1 natin. Okay, so ano unahin natin between these three group? We have 4 times negative 3 raised to 3 minus 2 times negative 3 minus quantity negative 3 plus 5. Which among these three? Ito, or yung last part?
Yung last po.
Yung last. Okay, that's correct. So, perform the indicated operation muna dito sa dulo. Since siya yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, tama? Adding an integer. So, we have now negative 3 plus 5. That is equals to?
Positive 2 po.
Okay, that's correct. Positive 2 now. Minus, okay, next, after ng parenthesis, what would be the next? Yung merong?
Exponent po.
Exponent. So, simplify muna natin itong merong exponent dito, tama? So, we have negative 3 raised to 3. It means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, and the product is equals to,
Negative 26.
Negative 26.
Sige. So, that is equals to negative 27. So, we have now 4 times negative 27. Okay, how about this one? Minus 2 times negative 3, 2 times negative 3, that is equals to, diba ito na lang yung natitira?
Yes po.
Okay. So, what would be 2 times negative 3, this product is?
Positive 6.
Negative 6.
Negative
6.
6. Oh.
Ay, ma'am.
Po.
May exponent po ata yung negative 3.
Ayaw nga pala. Sorry. Okay, may exponent na ito pala ito. So, ito pa pala, no? So, we have now negative 3 raised to 2. That is equals to?
9 po.
Positive?
9 lang po.
9. Okay, that's correct. Ayan. Okay. And, again, in performing the operation, mag-start tayo from left to right, ha? Left to right. But always follow the PEMDAS or yung sequencing of the operation. Okay? So, uunahin muna natin to, next ito, then addition or subtraction na. Tama?
Apo.
First. So, first muna is yung 4 times negative 27. The product is equals to?
Permission to speak po.
About the others, boys. How about Reynan Delgado? What is 4 times negative 27? What is 4 times negative 27, Delgado? Wala. How about you, Sean Martin?
Permission to speak po.
Sean? boys? How about the others? Okay, Adrian Prieto, go ahead.
Negative 108 po.
Ilan? Negative?
108.
108. Okay, that's correct. Next. How about 2 times 9? That is equals to
18 po.
18. So, minus 18 minus 2. Okay? So, what would be now the final, isa-isahin pa rin natin. So, we have now negative 108 minus 18.
Negative 126 po.
Negative 100.
26.
Negative 126. Okay. That's correct. Minus 2. Okay, so what would be the final answer? Cyrus Santos. Negative 126 minus 2. What would be the difference, Santos?
Negative 124 po.
Okay, that's correct. Negative 124. Okay. Okay. Ayun lang naman kung paano mag-evaluate ng function. Okay, do you have any question? May mali ba sa tingin niyo dito sa solution natin? Wala ng tanong?
Clear po, ma'am.
None?
Ah,
Okay. So, let's go ahead now sa example number 2. Okay, let's clear muna na itong isa. Ayun. Okay. So we have now example number 2. Nakikita na ba sa ating whiteboard?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So paibasa naman ang example number 2 natin, Michelle Miranda. Wala. Okay, how about Panisa Thea? Paibasa naman ang example number 2. Wala rin. Oh, anyone who wants to read example number 2? Naririnig po ba ako? Or not?
ito speak po, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, John Warren.
F of x equals x cubed minus negative 4x squared plus x.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have now example number 2, which is f of x is equals to quantity x cubed minus quantity negative 4x squared plus x. Okay, wherein what is the value of our x now? 5. Okay, that's correct. So therefore, again, ano una natin gagawin?
Substitute value po ng x.
Okay, that's correct. Substitute all the value of x, papalitan natin ng positive 5. Now we have quantity 5 raised to 3 minus quantity negative, negative 4 5 raised to 5 plus 5. Okay. So what would be the first operation that we must perform? Yung nasa loob ng
Parenthesis.
okay. And kapag nasa loob na tayo ng parenthesis, so what would be the next step? Yung isi-simplify natin yung merong
Exponent po.
exponent. Okay? So we have 5, ano pala, hindi pala siya. This is, okay. So we have 5 raised to 2, and that is equals to
25 po.
25 times negative 4.
Negative 100.
Negative 100. Okay, that's correct. So we have now negative 100 plus 5.
Negative 100. Negative 95 po.
Okay. Next. O, tapos na tayo sa, okay. Sorry. Yes, that's correct. So we have negative 100 plus 5, that is equals to negative 95. Okay? Okay, so meron pa natitirang merong exponent, tama? So this
Yes po.
5 raised to 3. Okay, so simplify 5 raised to 3, that is equals to
120.
25 po.
125. Okay, 125 minus negative 95. So what is the difference now? Or the final answer rather? Positive
30.
Positive 222.
positive 200,
22. 20. 22.
20, okay. Positive 220. Okay, nakasunod ba? May question ba dito sa example number 2 natin?
Wala po.
Okay, pa-copy na po muna. Or screenshot pala. So as you can see, evaluating a function is all about substituting the value of x. Okay? Hindi lang value ng x, kahit anong variable pa yan. A, B, C, or letters rather. A, B, C, D, so on, and so forth. Done? Okay. Okay, next, how about example number 3 na tayo? This will be the last example, I think. Ay, mali. Okay. Okay. So, for example, number 3 naman, pakibasa.
Ma'am, wala po yung screen.
Wala pa ba? Um, okay. Ayan, pakibasa naman ng example number 3 natin, Lebron James, Hermono. Wala si Lebron. How about Johara Malna? Wala rin. J.R. De La Flor. Ay, basa ng example number 3 natin. Wala. Ba't parang walang mga boys? Next. Clarence Bernas. O, sige, Ray.
Six egg.
Okay, sorry, ano yan this is f of a pala. This is f of a is equals to, I'm sorry, Adrian, thank you by the way. We have f of a is equals to 6a cubed plus a quantity 2a minus 10 over a, wherein our value of a is equals to negative 4. Tama? So again, first things first is to substitute all the given value of our a dito sa given equation. Okay, so lahat ng a papalitan natin ng negative 4. Okay, so now we have 6 times negative 4 raised to 3 plus negative 4 times 2 negative 4 minus 10. All over 8. Ay, negative 4 pala, sorry. Okay, so again, simplify the given operation first dito sa ating numerator. Okay? Una natin i-simplify is yung numerator. So what would be the first one? We have
Negative.
1. Anyone? Ano una nating susolve dito?
Uunahin po muna nating isolve yun sa may parenthesis po.
Okay, thank you
Sa
so
may
much.
dulo.
Okay. Which one? Yung negative 4 times 2 or yung mismo nasa loob ng parenthesis?
Yung mismong nasa loob.
Okay. So first is we need to multiply yung 2 times negative 4, right?
Yes po.
Okay. So what is the product? 2 times negative 4.
Negative 8 po.
Negative 8 minus 10.
Positive 18 na po yan.
Ano po?
Positive 18 po.
Okay, that's correct. Yes, tama ba? Positive 18, ayun.
Yes.
Positive 18. So we have 6 quantity raised, quantity negative 4 raised to 3 plus negative 4 times, anong sagot kanina? Positive 18, tama?
Opo.
Ayun. Over negative 4. Okay, what would be next? Merong?
Meron pong exponent.
Okay, yung merong exponent, which is yung negative 4 raised to 3, and that is equals to
Negative 64 po.
negative 64 times 6. Negative
Negative 384 po.
384. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Okay. So that is negative 384 plus, okay, we have now negative 4 times positive 18. So what would be their product?
Negative 72.
Negative
7.
74. Tama ba?
2.
Ay, sorry, 72. Ayan. Okay, divided by negative 4. Okay, so what would be the sum now of negative 384 and negative 72?
Positive 456.
Positive ba? Both negative,
Negative 456 po pala.
ayan, negative 456. Okay? Divided by negative 4. So, negative 456 divided by negative 4. Our final answer now is equals to
114.
168.
ilan po? 144.
14.
Ayun. So, this will be our final answer. Positive 144. Okay, nakakasunod na ba yung iba? Parang konti lang kasi nakakausap ko. Okay. The rest may question or concern ba regarding dito sa example number 3 natin?
Wala po.
Na.
Po.
Okay, pakicopy na po.
Ma'am, may tanong po ako.
Lagi lang.
Ma'am, paano po naging 64 po yung dun sa ano? Yung sa 4 raised to 3 po. Negative 4 to raised to 3.
Saan? Saan 60 po? Ito, negative 4 raised to 3, that means negative 4 times negative 4, that is positive 16, tama? Times negative 4, negative what?
64 po.
Ayun.
Okay po, thank you po.
How about yung iba may question? Nan? Okay, pakicopy na muna natin ang example number 3 natin. Done.
Ang question lang po.
Okay na?
Ang question lang po.
Ano po yun?
Ma'am, paano po naging negative po yung sagot?
Okay, 114 nga pala, hindi 144 something.
Okay po, ma'am. Salamat.
So the final answer would be 114, not 144. Ayun. Okay na? Sorry. May concern pa po ba dito sa example number 3 natin?
Wala po.
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay, let's have your attendance now, okay? Say present na lang kapag tinawag yung name. Okay, we have Agustin Alex Miguel. Nandiyan ba? Wala. So, next, how about Bartolome? Ayun. Delgado. Okay. Next, we have Bernas. Voice muna to Wala si Bernas.
Present po.
Ayun. Bunda. Vince.
Present po.
Caso Justin. Absent. Next is De La Flor J. Razel. Absent. Next is De La Paz Christian.
Present po.
De Maunahan John Warren.
Present po.
Okay, Gal Sim Airhood.
Present po.
Okay. Hermona Lebron James.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay, nandito si Agustin. Ayan, so present din si Lebron. Ayan, Islas Harvey. Wala.